My Stride 4K. We are today at Crossroads Center. This is on Route 7, kind of where Annandale, Arlington, Falls Church all meet. Big shopping center here, anchored by Amazon Fresh. Just to be honest, not too busy. They open the first watch here. Get a healthy meal. Not too busy. It's a freezing day, 21 degrees here. Hope everybody's having a good day. Paisanos. Grab a quick pizza here. What is this? Adobo. Mexican meat. If you really want your Mexican meat, you can get it there. Ultra Beauty Supply. Sorry about my finger. Man, I'm glad to see not so many people caking on makeup for their social media. They really hit the lottery when they opened those places and TikTok came out. And man, even guys were painting their face. Whatever. Maybe it's because I'm here in the afternoon and it's really cold today. And they had a little bit of flurries. That not many people are here. Usually, I'll bet it'll be packed tonight. All right. Lots going on here in town. People are back to work, so traffic is back in this area. It was gone for a while. We got Ross dressed for less. All right. Take a look inside. All right. It's a big shopping center. These stores are huge. Must be expensive. All right. While I'm walking, I got one for you. If you put the entire DMV area, DC area, for the older folks, DC area, on a scale, how much would it weigh? A washing ton. That's why I'm doing this. I'm not a comedian. Marshalls. All right. Big Marshalls there. More walking. Look how big this place is. That's a huge Marshalls. This shopping center probably has everything you need. Groceries, clothes, doesn't have shelter. But if you live in the area, what a great shopping center to live near. This is outdoor patio stuff. Oh no, this is tile, wood, and stone. I was way off. Tile, wood, and stone store. All right. Bet it'll be busy in the spring. People start doing their yard work. All right. Shopping cart. Everybody be careful with your spending these days. We haven't been out to eat much. Trying to save some money. All right. Old Navy. We had one of these in the other video I did at Potomac Yards. And it was nobody in that one, and there's about nobody in this one. I don't know the last time I shopped at Old Navy. I don't think they have the commercials anymore with the... Those were great commercials. They were so clear, you know? All right, gazebo. Looks like a homeless shelter, but they locked it up. Man, good spot. Now we walk across the street. Man, good exercise walking like this. We are headed to Staples. Office Supply, which still has places open, which is good. Most people do the shopping online nowadays, or at Target or something, but Staples still trying to hang in there. Now we get to the Amazon Fresh. Now I went to the Amazon Fresh at Potomac Yards, and they couldn't get the cart to work. So it looks like they're getting rid of the electronic carts that scan the items, because I don't see them. But Amazon Fresh, there's about nobody inside. This used to be, I think this is the Giant. Used to be Giant. It was busy. See, I went to Amazon Fresh going, hey, wow, this is something special. And I went there, and it felt like another grocery store. So I think they don't have if everything was cheaper, it'd be packed. But they're along with everybody else, man. It's expensive to live. Not as much protein to eat these days. Trying to weed us off that. Slowly. Tiger Woods, we got a little golf store, everybody. Man, I haven't had golf ball in a long time. In case I do get some want to hit some golf balls, I'll know where to come. That place is really big. Must be a lot of people go in there to be able to afford a space like that. There's plenty of parking here. And you know who has some of the best parking? That would be 495 during rush hour here in D.C. Best parking spot in town. You just sit there. Anyways. President has everybody not working from home. And this is an area with a lot of federal workers. So I imagine that's where everybody is. They're at work, in their office. Been kind of hectic. But it's good for the country. But stay tuned. All right, got a little AT&T store. Phone store. What did we do before phones? Remember that? Talk to each other. We've got ice cream, Sweet Frog, a delicious treat for all to enjoy. Become a rewards member. You can eat ice cream every day. All right, this is Carter's children's clothing. If you have a young one, this is the designer brand. This is the spot. Get your children's clothing. Well, I had a Supreme Court joke for you, but it didn't have appeal. All right. This is La Madeleine, very popular restaurant. Oh, it gets packed at night and late at night. French goods, grab and go for all to enjoy. I will wind down my little walk today. I'm glad you're still here. Please hit like and subscribe. We got Ashley Furniture. This is a huge furniture store. Lots of stuff. That's going to wind down our little walk today. Thanks for joining me. It's freezing outside. The sun's kind of hiding behind those clouds. But it's bright inside my heart. And I hope it is yours too. I'll see you next time. I promise I'll do better.